Hello, class. Happy Friday. Today we are going to figure out how to solve for sales tax. Now, there's sales tax on things when you buy like food from the grocery store. If you go to a restaurant, there's usually tax on your food, things like that. So tax is something that you will have to pay when you make purchases out in our community. So today we're going to practice learning how to solve for sales tax so that we can add that to our meat market type of a job we're working on. So what we're going to do here is our example. So sales tax in Minnesota is 6.875. So when we solve for that, we multiply our total, our subtotal, by the tax. And to be able to multiply it correctly, we multiply it by 0.06875. So we take our subtotal, that's the dollar amount here, and we multiply it by that amount. So we're going to take $12.54, $12.54, and we're going to multiply it by 0.06875. And our answer is this 0.862125. Now, because we're talking about money, we're just going to look at our first two digits after the decimal place. So in this case, we're going to remove the 2125, and we're just going to look at this 0.86. So we're going to look at that as 86 cents. Okay, so when we go back over here to this little activity, I just want you to practice using your calculator and multiplying by the tax. So what I did is I took and drug over here our 86 cents, which is our tax. I want you to solve these problems and match the amount of tax that equals. Okay, so you're just going to drag and drop it wherever it goes to match. All right, so that's the first part of the lesson. The second part is here we're going to practice adding our three items that were purchased in our meat and seafood market, and we're going to create our subtotal, which we practiced yesterday, and then we're going to add that tax in. Okay, and then we're going to add the subtotal and the tax together to get the complete total of the order. So let's do this one together. The first item cost $17.16. The second item was $12, and the third was $8.67. So I'm going to flip back over to my calculator. And remember, you can use a phone or you can use a regular calculator too. Might be easier than doing these tabs like me, but I want to make sure that you can see what I'm doing here. So that's why I'm showing you this way. Okay, back to our adding. $17.16 plus $12 plus $8.67 equals $37.83. So this is our subtotal, $37.83. Now we're going to put that subtotal up here as well so we can do our multiplication. So $37.83. We need a decimal place here, don't we? Let's see if I can just draw a little one on here right now for us. Well, there is one. It's hard to see. Okay, so now we're going to take that $37.83 and we are going to multiply it by our tax, which is 0.06875. And that equals $2.60. Remember, we just look at the two digits to the right of our decimal place. So $2.60 is the amount of tax for this purchase. So then what we're going to do here is we're going to take our subtotal. Remember, that's what we solved in step number 2, was $37.83. And we're going to add our tax, which was $2.60. So we're going to add those together. Okay, so head to your calculator. $37.83 plus $2.60 equals $40.43 is our complete total for this meat purchase. And that is how we are going to end our week, by doing 2 of those practice problems like this. All right, class, thank you and for all your hard work this week, and have a super awesome weekend.